What if you woke up and the world looked like it was fading away? The faces you love blurry, the road ahead unclear, the colors of life dull and dim. You're not going blind, but something is standing between you and the life you remember. It's called a cataract. And at Bloom Hospital Nakuru, we can fix it. We offer modern painless cataract surgery that takes just minutes, but gives you back years of clear, colorful vision. No pain, no hospital stay, quick recovery, real lasting results. Our skilled eye surgeons use advanced technology to gently remove the cloudy lens and replace it with a clear artificial lens so you can see again like it's day one. Reading without struggle, driving with confidence, looking into your loved one's eyes and seeing everything. You don't have to live in the blur. You don't have to miss another moment. It's time to bring back life into focus. Visit us at Golden Life Mall on the first floor or call 0709 785 500 to book your consultation. Bloom Hospital Nakuru. See better, live brighter.